Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Master cooking perfect wontons in just minutes for a delicious meal. Learning to prepare these delightful dumplings is surprisingly simple, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. They are incredibly versatile, ready to be boiled, pan-fried, or steamed, depending on your craving. We will explore 3 popular cooking methods, guaranteeing you achieve fantastic, flavorful results every time you make them. Boiling makes wontons tender and ideal for adding to soups or serving as a quick, satisfying dish. Begin by bringing a large pot of water to a robust, rolling boil before gently adding your wontons in small batches to prevent overcrowding. Allow them to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. They are ready when they float to the surface and appear delightfully plump. Drain them well, and they are ready for your favorite sauce or broth. Pan frying offers wontons a wonderfully crispy, golden brown bottom while keeping the tops delightfully tender. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a good non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Place your wontons flat side down and fry them for about 2 minutes. Then, carefully add a small splash of water to the pan, quickly cover it, and steam for 3 more minutes until the water evaporates. Steaming creates a beautifully light and delicate texture, making it an excellent choice for a healthier wonton option. Prepare your steamer basket by lightly oiling the bottom to ensure the wontons do not stick during cooking. Arrange the wontons in a single layer, giving them a little space, then steam them over boiling water for 6 to 8 minutes. They are perfectly cooked when translucent and tender. Serve your freshly cooked wontons immediately, piping hot, alongside your favorite dipping sauce to maximize their flavor. Classic choices often include a simple soy sauce, a spicy chili oil, or a vibrant sweet and sour sauce blend. These homemade delights are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as a satisfying appetizer, a flavorful side dish, or even as the star of your main course. No matter how you prepare them, they are sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.